Hi, today I'm going to make this very pretty Rakhi. Very easy to make. Made with ribbon flowers. Materials required are a ribbon, a 1-inch wide ribbon, a thin ribbon of the same color, needle and thread. This is a paper circle I've cut out. Some beads, a golden bead. This is a bigger flower bead in golden and green colored bead. So I've cut this piece of ribbon. So this ribbon actually is, as I said, 2.5 centimeters wide, about an inch. So I've cut about 6 centimeters, 5.5 to 6 centimeters long piece from this. So now just fold it. So you have the wrong side outside. Now from this point, just bring it back, forming a wing like this. And from the other side also. Then about halfway, just fold it again. And on the other side. So you get something like this. Now just cut off the extra. Take the needle and thread, tie a knot at the end. Just put it through. And put the thread round it like this, bringing it up again and pulling it. Just make a knot. So this is what you get. Just open it. So you get a piece like this. So now take this circle that I've cut. I'm just going to put it on top of this ribbon. Just cut accordingly. Like so. So now just put this paper here, apply glue on this, now I've cut a piece from the thin ribbon so that can be used as a band. Just stick it on it, and this paper that I've cut, I'm going to stick, this ribbon, stick on this. Like this. After this is dried, just turn it over so you have the paper side up. Now I've made about 9 of these. So just apply glue on the paper. Now I'm going to stick these one by one on it. like this. So I'll stick all of them. So this is how it will look. Now just apply a little more glue. So this time I'm going to use some rubber solution. This is stronger stuff. And take this golden bead and just stick it on top. So this should be slightly bigger, otherwise the tied area would show. So just press it down gently. Then apply some more. Stick this green one. And then a little more. And I'll stick the small golden bead. If you want, you can do it with needle and thread also, like so, and I'll let it dry. And this is how it will look after it's finished. Very pretty and very easy to make Rakhi.